Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to get the voice call feature on TikTok. To do this, first go to your Play Store and make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok. Open TikTok, go back and go to your profile. Tap on three-dot icon in the corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. And open Notifications. Scroll down and tap on Voice Calls. Now select people you follow or everyone. And go back. Now go to your inbox. Now open a chat with someone you follow. If the feature is available for both accounts, you will see the call options. And now you can call here. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.